Hi everyone. Today we're doing 19 minus 11 and Louis is going to tell us how he did it.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have 19 here, right? 10 plus 5
Yes.
is what?
15
Plus 4 more?
is equal to 19.
Yeah, okay, so how are you going to do 19 minus 11, Louis?
Can we split the 11 into 10 and 1?
Yeah, absolutely. So 10 and 1. So you're going to go 19 minus 10. What does that equal? 19 minus 10.
It is equal to 9.
Okay, and then minus 1 more.
You get 8.
So 19 minus 10 equaled 9, right? Minus 1 more gives you
8.
Awesome, Louis. Hi everyone. Today we're doing 19 minus 11 and Raha is going to tell us how she thinks about it. Okay, Raha, what do you want to do?
I don't like this question, so I'm going to make it 11 plus blank or something equals 19.
Okay, so 11 plus. So you're switching from subtraction to addition. You prefer addition, don't you?
Yes.
So plus what equals 19. So let's bring up the 11. So there's 11 here, right? 10 and 1 gives us 11. Now we got to figure out how many to add so that we get 19. So
let's make 5 here.
Okay, so we're going to add 4 then. And I'm going to bring them up in green so people can really see what we're adding here.
Yeah.
So there's 4. So 11 plus 4 gives us
15.
But we need 19, right?
Yeah.
So how many more do we need to add?
4 more.
4 more. Okay. So we're going to add another 4. And do we have 19 here, Rafa?
We do. So 10, 15 over here.
So from here to here, that's 15.
16, 17, 18, 19.
Okay, so did we figure this out?
Yes.
How much is it? How many green ones did we add?
8.
8.
I could do 4 plus 4 equals 8.
Okay, and then so 19 minus 11, what's our final answer?
Oh my gosh, it's 8! Because I picked the lucky number.
You're incredible, Raha.
Hello.